Picture opening a tablet so big, so sharp, and so powerful that it quietly replaces your laptop, your sketchbook, and your entertainment setup all at the same time. That is exactly the promise behind Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. And today we are diving deep into everything we know so far about this device. What is strongly expected, what's being rumored, and why this tablet could become the most powerful Android tablet ever made. But here is the thing. You need to stay till the end of this video, because there's one small upgrade I'll talk about near the end that could completely change how professionals use tablets forever. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore what could be Samsung's biggest tablet statement yet. Let me start with some context about Samsung's Ultra tablets. Samsung's Ultra tablets have always been about pushing limits. Big displays, top-tier performance, premium build quality, and a sharp focus on creators, students, and power users. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to take that proven formula and refine it in ways that actually matter, especially for users in the US and other premium markets who demand performance without any compromise. This isn't just about making things bigger or faster. It's about making them smarter. Let's start with the design, because first impressions matter. Samsung is not expected to reinvent the wheel here, and honestly, that's actually a good thing. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to keep its massive 14.6-inch class display wrapped in a slim aluminum body. We're talking flat edges and a clean professional look that screams premium. This tablet is expected to feel more like a premium laptop than a casual tablet. Think thin bezels, minimal branding, and a solid balanced weight that makes it feel expensive the moment you pick it up. There are strong expectations that Samsung will slightly refine the thickness and weight, making it easier to handle despite its impressive size. This matters a lot for people who use the tablet for long work sessions, drawing, note-taking, or media editing. Small changes in ergonomics can make a huge difference in daily use comfort. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where the Ultra series truly shines. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a high refresh rate. We are likely looking at 120 Hz, or potentially even higher. Colors are expected to be deep and accurate, with true blacks that only OLED can deliver. Brightness is expected to be strong enough for both indoor and outdoor use. This is especially important for professionals who work on the go and can't control their lighting environment. Samsung has always led the industry in display technology, and this tablet is expected to continue that tradition. So, HDR content should look absolutely stunning on the screen. Text should appear razor sharp, making reading and writing a pleasure. And multitasking with multiple apps on this massive screen should feel natural and comfortable. There's also talk about further improvements in anti-reflective coating and eye comfort features. For users in premium countries who spend hours staring at screens, this isn't a small upgrade. It's a quality of life improvement that makes long work sessions easier on your eyes. Performance is another major highlight that deserves serious attention. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to be powered by the latest flagship-level processor. It is likely a custom-tuned Snapdragon or an advanced Exynos variant optimized specifically for Galaxy devices. This chip is expected to focus not just on raw speed, but also on sustained performance and efficiency. In real-world terms, this means faster app launches and smoother multitasking, better performance in heavy apps like video editing, photo editing, and 3D rendering, and improved gaming performance with stable frame rates even during extended sessions. Samsung is also expected to offer generous RAM and storage options. This is crucial for users who treat their tablet as a serious work machine. Large files, multiple apps open at once, and smooth performance without slowdowns. That's the goal. One area where Samsung has been quietly improving is software optimization. With One UI for tablets, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to offer a desktop-like multitasking experience. We are talking resizable windows, split-screen functionality, floating apps, and improved drag and drop features. For professionals and students, this means you can research, write, edit, and communicate all on one screen. No more constantly switching between different devices to get work done. For creators, it means a smoother workflow from initial idea to final output. Now let's talk about the S Pen, because this is a core part of the Ultra experience. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to ship with the S Pen included in the box. This is something Apple still doesn't do with their iPad Pro, by the way. This pen is expected to offer ultra-low latency, making it feel almost like writing on real paper. For artists, this means precise strokes and natural pressure sensitivity that responds to your touch. For students, it means accurate note-taking that feels natural and intuitive. For professionals, it means quick annotations, sketches, and ideas without any noticeable delay. Samsung is also expected to continue improving palm rejection and handwriting recognition. These small details really add up, especially for users who rely on the S Pen for daily tasks. Battery life is another key focus area that Samsung takes seriously. With such a large display and powerful processor, Samsung is expected to pack a massive battery inside the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. The goal here is simple: all-day use, even with heavy multitasking and media consumption. Fast charging is expected to make a return, allowing users to quickly top up the battery and get back to work. For people in premium markets who value time and efficiency, this kind of reliability is essential. Audio performance is often overlooked in tablet reviews, but not here. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a quad speaker setup tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos support. It should deliver loud, clear, and truly immersive sound quality. Whether you are watching movies, editing videos, attending video calls, or just listening to music, the audio experience is expected to be rich and well-balanced. This makes the tablet a true entertainment powerhouse when the workday is done. Camera performance on tablets usually isn't a top priority, but Samsung still takes it seriously. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature upgraded front-facing cameras, possibly with improved ultra-wide support specifically designed for video calls. This is especially important for remote work and online meetings in today's world. Better framing, clearer image quality, and improved low-light performance can make a real difference in professional settings. On the back, the cameras are expected to be capable enough for scanning documents, taking quick photos, and occasional video recording. Not a replacement for your smartphone camera, but more than good enough for typical tablet use cases. Connectivity is another area where the S12 Ultra is expected to really shine. Support for the latest Wi-Fi standards is almost guaranteed at this point. There may also be a 5G variant for users who want constant connectivity without relying on mobile hotspots. For users in the US and other premium regions, this kind of flexibility is important, especially for frequent travel and remote work situations where Wi-Fi isn't always reliable. Security and ecosystem integration are also expected to be strong selling points. Samsung Knox is expected to be present, offering enterprise-grade security that businesses actually trust. Seamless integration with Galaxy phones, Galaxy laptops, and Galaxy wearables is also expected to improve significantly. This means easier file sharing, instant notification sync, and a more connected experience across all your devices. Now, here's the part you really need to hear carefully. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just about impressive specs on paper. It's about replacing multiple devices with one powerful, capable machine. For students, it can replace traditional notebooks, textbooks, and even basic laptops for many tasks. For creators, it can replace a dedicated drawing tablet and a basic editing laptop in many workflows. For professionals, it can replace a secondary work device and serve as a true laptop alternative. And Samsung knows this shift is happening, which is exactly why the Ultra series exists. But here's that game-changing upgrade I promised to tell you about. There are strong rumors that Samsung is working on desktop-level app support. This could mean running full desktop versions of professional software directly on the tablet. Imagine having access to full Photoshop, complete video editing suites, or advanced coding environments, all running natively on your tablet without any compromises or mobile app limitations. If this becomes reality, it would completely change how professionals view and use tablets. It would blur the line between tablets and laptops in a way we have never seen before. If Samsung delivers on these expectations, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra could set a completely new standard for what an Android tablet can actually be. Not just bigger, not just faster, but genuinely smarter and more capable than anything we've seen before. So should you wait for this tablet instead of buying something available right now? If you want the biggest, sharpest display available, if you truly value the included S Pen experience, if you want serious multitasking capabilities on Android, and if you want a premium tablet that feels truly future-ready, then yes. This is definitely one device worth waiting for. Here's my final thought on all of this. Tablets are no longer just content consumption devices that you use for watching videos and browsing social media. They are rapidly becoming true productivity machines that can handle serious work. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to be Samsung's strongest, most confident statement yet in that direction. If you enjoyed this video about Samsung's upcoming flagship tablet, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because the moment official details drop from Samsung, you will hear about it here first. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you planning to upgrade to the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, or are you happy with your current setup? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.